All right, this problem asks us what is the mean of the data shown, and it gives us 5 different values, 1, 9, 11, 44, and 15. So when they talk about mean, they mean the average. So to figure out the mean, what we're going to do is we're going to add up all the values here and divide by the number of values. So we do 1 plus 9 plus 11 plus 44 plus 15. There's 5 values, so we're going to divide by 5. So let's add those up. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 44 is 65. And 65 plus 15 is 80. So we have 80 divided by 5. All right, so let's do the long division on that. So 80 divided by 5. Well, 5 goes into 8 once. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Let's bring down to 0. How many times does 5 go into 30? Exactly 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. So 30 minus 30 is 0, so no remainders. So our mean here is going to be 16.